This 2025 Grand Design Solitude 380FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features a Dove interior, sleeps 6, stovetop burner, water heater, TV, leveling jacks, external shower, awning, skylight, Slideout, auxiliary battery, LP detector, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath-and-a-half, front entertainment, front living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Solitude 380FL is 15,292 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.